This is a collection of 14 boxes full of key issue comic books. We've been having fun this week going through all of them. Last time we went through this box was a ton of fun. I think today I want to go through another one of these boxes because these boxes have the top loaders. So I think there'll be some bigger books in here. All right, let's dig through this box. I think I'm going to do these magazines on the side here first. What do we have? We have Marvel Preview Presents number 7. This is the first appearance of Rocket Raccoon. I have another copy somewhere in my collection that's a much higher grade copy. I love that book, though. Guardians of the Galaxy, I think, was my favorite part of the MCU. So I love having all the key issues related to that. This is the Arthur Adams sketchbook, number 9. I'm going to collect all of these. I only have a couple of them. The print quality of these always looks so great that the artwork it's fantastic. Let's just take a quick look through it. And these are not cheap. When you can buy them from him directly, his new one he does each year, I think it's only like 40, 50 bucks at the cons. But if you want to buy an older issue, they're over 100 bucks now, I think. They are just, we have a backer board. Okay, let me move the backer board. Okay, so yeah, each page, the ink is just so black and just such a good quality print that for me, this is just one of the most amazing kind of art books you can get. Just because of the high quality of the printing. Just the black is so black, it looks much blacker than most, sketch or inked covers or inked, books that reproduce the drawing. This just looks phenomenal. Phenomenal. Just such quality printing. I think I want to go through this whole book. Like, look how just black that ink is. Awesome artwork, too. I really love Arthur Adams. I'm a big fan of his. So I do want to collect all these sketchbooks. Kind of hoping one day someone just brings a stack of like 10 of them into the shop and wants like 20 bucks each. That would be a great day. We got the New Mutants covers. These are some of my all-time favorites. Tom Strong. That's beautiful. Man, this book needs its own video. I love his line work. I like all the little hash details. There's a little self-portrait. Oh, there's the long shot artwork. That is fantastic. Man, these are gorgeous. Some beautiful Wonder Woman prints. And like for 40 bucks, each one of these could be like an art print that you buy to stick on your wall for 10 bucks from an artist. But you're getting a whole book full of these just amazing prints. Oh, and I love the back cover, too. We got a space girl with a domed helmet. I always say that's some of my favorite sci-fi tropes. That's a gorgeous book. So this is 2010, I think. All right, one day I'll own the rest of them. They're definitely on my to-do list of things that I would like to purchase. But I do try, when I can, I try to get the new one that comes out each year. That's why I have a couple, I think, from the last couple of years. Okay, we have Marvel Previews Presents number 1. Neil Adams cover. I don't know if there's a key importance of any of the appearances in there. It's just a really cool book. And then we have the Biological Show number 0. This one's actually kind of rare and collectible. Really cool book to find. This one I bought from a collector that collected a whole bunch of indie books. So that's something you just don't see every day. Okay, let's start looking at these top loaders. Okay, we got the Biological Show number 1. That's super cool. Again, this is pretty rare as well. Both these are rare, and I think when I bought them, they were worth like 50, 100 bucks. I don't know if they're still at that valuation, but definitely not a book you see every day. Ooh, Werewolf by Night number 1. Man, I love my Bronze Age horror, so having, a bigger key like that from that era is amazing to me. Okay, there might be some big books in here. Detective Comics 247, a beautiful 10-cent Batman. Love 10-cent Batmans whenever I can get them for a reasonable price. My goal is usually like a 4.0, 20 bucks. 4.0, 20 bucks is kind of what I aim for. Usually it's like a 3.0, $50. But if I can find a 4.0, $20, I am thrilled. My second copy of Werewolf by Night number 1. Absolutely love that book. All the ones I have are similar condition. They're all probably like 3.5s, maybe 4.0. So it's one of those things where there wasn't one that was like definitively the higher grade one to sell to others. So for now, I'm just holding on to those, and then I will probably down the road, if I get a much nicer one, I'll probably sell off the weaker ones. Okay, next book here. This is super dope. All right, we have Wolverine number 66, first appearance of the Old Man Logan. It's the Dynamic Forces limited edition. It's like, I guess from the other angle from Hulk 181. This is a rare book. I don't know if it's as much as the there's like another variant for his first appearance, but I know this is one you just don't see every day. Very cool book. Very cool book. Love Old Man Logan. Incredible Hulk Annual number 5. This is a reprint of the first appearance of Groot. Technically, I think it's the second appearance of him. Okay, we have Brave and the Bold 200, first appearance of Katana. I do like that issue. It's one I've picked up a few times over the years. Catwoman 51, the beautiful Adam Hughes cover. I didn't realize how high this one had moved. In my mind, it was a $50 book, but I think it's like a $150 to $200 book now. Crazy. Okay, next we have Superman Adventures number 5, first appearance of Livewire. Then we have Batman 189, I believe the first Silver Age appearance of Scarecrow. One of my favorite key issues I keep showing, Secret Wars number 8. Very common issue, but I have a hard time selling it because I love it too much. As in, I don't want to sell it. I want to keep it. Next, we have The Witching Hour number 1. This is my high-grade copy. I think it's like a 8085. It's a beautiful copy. It just has a couple very light hint of wear on it, but other than that, it's really minty. And I bought a random lot online of cartoon books, like, you know, Archie, Harvey type stuff. I paid 50 cents a book. And in that lot, I did not know was a stack of like horror stuff about that big, maybe like 10 issues. And this is one of them. I could not believe I got that in that lot. That's why I like buying random lots occasionally, because you kind of hit the jackpot occasionally. Amazing Spider-Man 583, the Obama variant. Gotham City Sirens number 1. Beautiful cover. Ooh, this is one of my all-time favorite covers. The Audie Granoff Elektra Daredevil cover. That cover is gorgeous. So that's the black version. Then I have the red version. I basically just bought the set when it came out. Absolutely love that cover. And then the trade version. That is a beautiful, beautiful set. We have Star Wars number 1. Awesome key issue. Love Star Wars. I'm really enjoying Ahsoka. I think it's such a great season. Let's see. We have Chew number 2. This is super fun. So we have the Miss Marvel number 1. It's a ratio variant. Arthur Adams cover. I love this book. Such a great book. This might be a 1 in 100. Might be a 1 in 50. Not 100% sure. All I know is it's a really rare book. Then we have the Vengeance number 1 variant. This is the first appearance of America Chavez. This one had jumped like right before the Doctor Strange movie up to 1,500, 2,000. Now it's maybe 500. It's come back down, but I'm still happy to have it. It's not going anywhere. I'm going to hold on to that for a long time. X-Men Origins Deadpool number 1. Awesome Mark Brooks cover. Absolutely love that one. Captain Marvel number 1. Nice Silver Age key. Love it. Marvel Premiere number 1. A nice Bronze Age key. Love that one as well. Marvel Premiere 47. I believe this is the first Scott Lang Ant-Man. So that's a cool key. This book is still undervalued in my mind. All-Star Comics number 58. First appearance of Power Girl. I think I have 3 or 4 of those. Walking Dead number 50. The superhero variant. This one's pretty rare. You don't see that too often. Gotham Girls number 3. This is my higher grade copy. This one is white and not yellowed. And this one, I still think I got this one pretty cheap. Maybe like $1 or $2 in a collection. Cable and Deadpool number 1. For a while there, this book had some value. I don't think it has too much value right now. I still think it's a fun key issue. All right, I'm going to clear these out because we're getting a little bit cool. All right, we have Chew number 1. This is one I'm also kind of shocked at the value at the moment. I think it's like a $100, $150 issue. I'm not surprised. Chew is a cool comic. Silver Surfer number 2. I love the original Silver Surfer run. I need to work on completing that set. My second copy of the ratio variant for Vengeance 1. First appearance of America Chavez. Really nice modern key. Prices are down on this kind of stuff. I think it's a great time to buy it because I still think long term this stuff is going to be important to the kids of today. Silver Surfer number 3. First Mephisto. Really cool key issue. All right, Cable, Deadpool number 1, another copy. I have these in top loaders. I know at one point these were valuable. I think the value has really dropped. Another Miss Marvel number 1, the Arthur Adams variant. I love the Miss Marvel character. I love Arthur Adams artwork. This just combines together to one of my all-time favorite books. I think this is also a ratio, maybe a 1 in 25. Awesome book. Absolutely love it. Incredible Hulk number 340, the awesome McFarlane cover. Love that. Ultimate Spider-Man number 1. I think last time we saw one and I said it was short. Yeah, this one's short as well. So I just have a feeling this issue is just slightly shorter than most comics. Because it's the second one like that. Amazing Spider-Man 122. This is when the Green Goblin gets killed. Cool Spidey key issue. Incredible Hulk 371. First appearance of Rocket Raccoon in comics. There's one other appearance I just showed earlier that's in the magazine. And then this one came after that. Nova number 1. Pretty high grade copy. Actually, maybe a little bit of wear right there and there. Still probably like a 6.5 copy though. Awesome issue. Love it. Avenging Spider-Man number 9. The first Carol Danvers as Captain Marvel. That's a good key issue. Okay, we got our milers now. We got Avengers 21. Awesome earlier Avengers issue. Love that. Fantastic Four number 34. This is a nice Pence stamped copy. That is really neat. Fantastic Four number 100. That's an awesome. I gotta see what I still need from 1 to 100. I feel like I have a good chunk of the run. Detective 342. Love the Silver Age Batman stuff. Batman 228. Another awesome older Batman book. Milars are kind of hard to go through and stuff because they kind of scratch up your fingers. I'm just not a fan. I really need to switch these out to top loaders. Amazing Spider-Man number 37. Awesome earlier Spidey book. Strange Tales 167. Amazing Steranko cover. Absolutely love that one. Tower of Shadows number 1. I love the Bronze Age horror books, and the number 1s are even more exciting to have. Detective 438. That cover is awesome. Detective 328. Another awesome Silver Age Batman book. This one I know I have a few times. Detective 353. Really fun book. The Story of Jamaica. I don't know if this is like a history comic or something. Not sure the value on that, but that's just cool. Older book. Strange Tales number 159. That book is amazing. Mr. Miracle number 5. I do like the Mr. Miracle books. And that one is in pretty decent. No, it's got somewhere on the side. The spine looks really nice. Side looks kind of worn. Fantastic Four number 40. Awesome Dr. Doom cover. Love that. Thor 177. Awesome Bronze Age Thor book. Strange Tales 131. Do love this early Doctor Strange stuff. That is awesome. World's Greatest Heroes number 6. Or 100-page Spectacular 6. That cover is really nice. I really like that cover. I think that's a great cover. Batman 170. Awesome Silver Age Batman books. Do love my older Batman books. Again, I try to pick them up when they're cheaper. Cheaper, but in okay condition. Like a 4.0 is what I'm aiming for. Batman 150. That's an awesome cover. Love that. What was that? Super Robin? Brave and the Bold number 103. Awesome Metal Men cover. Love the Metal Men. Brave and the Bold 112. So this might just be a little bit of a Brave and the Bold one. I don't know if any of these have like too much value. I still love them though. Brave and the Bold with the Metal Man again. Absolutely love those. Batman 247. That's awesome. Brave and the Bold 70. Man, that cover is gorgeous. Absolutely love the composition and coloring on that cover. Fantastic Four 85. That cover is amazing too. Really awesome Kirby work. Batman 208. This one looks to be in pretty good shape. I think I have another one that's in pretty good shape too. You guys will probably remember stuff better than I am just from watching all these videos. Brave and the Bold 115. Brave and the Bold 116. I'm not sure if any of these Brave and the Bolds have any key significance. They're just awesome. 100-page Spectacular. Not sure the number. This might be the first Wildcat or early Wildcat. I forget. Or it might just be a reprint of it. Yeah, I'm not sure on that. But that's awesome. I'm happy to own it. Spectre number 2. What a cool book. Absolutely love that. Justice League of America number 39. Again, I want to work on my Justice League set as well. Brave and the Bold number 81. Super cool book. Brave and the Bold. Some of these actually feel like they need new bags and boards. It's been a while. Brave and the Bold number 97. Awesome cover. Ghost Rider number 2. Man, I love that cover. That's a cool cover. Detective 331. Just an awesome pink cover in pretty decent shape. That's an awesome book. And then finally, the last book in this box is Thor 151. All right, I absolutely love this box. So many beautiful older Silver Age and Bronze Age books. I will be doing another beautiful box full of key issues in a video very soon.